Guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to launch EC2 Instance. To get started, you can come here, you'll see EC2, or you can actually search for EC2 here and click. In this page you can launch a new instance by clicking the launch instance button. Here we're going to be presented with all the images that we can use, Amazon Linux 2, macOS, Red Hat, SUSE, Ubuntu, Microsoft Windows, and also Debian. But in this demo we're going to use the Amazon Linux 2. Let's try the new wizard that we can launch the instance. You also have an option to add a server name, but you don't have to. I'm going to call this one backend. And image, as I've said earlier, we're going to use the Amazon Linux 2. And instance type, we're going to use the T2 macro, which is our free tier. We won't be charged for this. And here we need to create a new key pair. If you have an existing key pair, you don't have to create a new one. I already have a key pair. I'm just going to select this one. And on the network settings, we need to allow HTTP traffic if you're going to host a website on this instance. So you have two options, HTTPS and HTTP, depending on whether you are going to host a secure website or not. So for this, we're just going to use HTTP here. And here on the advanced details, we're going to add a script that is going to install HTTPT and enable the server. So I'm just going to paste the script. I don't need Git. I'm just remove Git here. So here we're going to install HTTPD, enable the server, and also echo well into our index.html file. Let's launch the instance. Instance has been launched. It's currently in pending state. I'm going to pause the video and wait for the instance to be in a running state. Okay, the instance is up and running. Let's go into the instance and copy the IP address. Let's open a new tab and test our server. Okay, the server is up and running. As you can see here, we are getting the hello world. Thank you for watching, guys. Please share, like, and subscribe to my channel.